You are making money on Twitter, but want to reach more people. Without spending too much manual messaging effort, this video will teach you how to spam mass messages on Twitter in a smart, effective, but safe way. Avoid account lock and especially fully automatic. Hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. Today I will show you in detail how to spam mass Twitter messages. This is the main interface of MKD Twitter software. The software will support you manage unlimited Twitter accounts and support you assign proxies. Change IP for each account. You will use the IP port username and pass format for the proxy. With the software, you can manage unlimited content sending messages. It's one of the parts of note when you deploy mass message spam on Twitter. It's that you need to use different messages. Avoid too much duplicate content. This is a feature that allows you to send mass messages. You can send messages by username. Send messages to people who are following or who the account is following. I already have a list of usernames. The software will also support you to collect data on Twitter. You can paste the username directly into the software as you are doing. Next, you will set up your own configuration to send messages. You can see it on your screen how you set up. There are a few caveats when you deploy mass message spam on Twitter. The first is about the risk of spam. Twitter is very sensitive to spam. If you send it massively, your account may be locked, or your account will be restricted, or worse, the account will be permanently locked. And if you do not implement this trust-raising account, and do not implement IP changes for each account, it's very easy that the platform will scan your IP address and will lock your account en masse. Next, there is no random content and the delivery time is too fast. As you can see, when I set it up, I press the start button. The software will automatically open up Twitter accounts. Each Chrome tab corresponds to an account. With this tool, you can use multiple Twitter accounts at the same time to send promotional messages. If you are interested in the software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.